Ever wondered what a VPN is and how it works? Well, today's your lucky day because we're about to dive right into the world of virtual private networks, or VPNs for short. Picture this. You're in a crowded room and you want to have a secret conversation with someone. You wouldn't just start whispering secrets while everyone else is within earshot, right? Instead, you'd probably take them into a separate room where you can talk privately. That's basically what a VPN does, but for your online activity. A VPN is a tool that provides a secure tunnel for your internet data. It takes your raw, unencrypted data and wraps it up in a layer of encryption, like a protective bubble before it travels across the internet. This ensures that your data is safe and secure from prying eyes, whether they be hackers, your internet service provider, or even the government. But that's not all a VPN does. A VPN can also mask your IP address, which is like your home address on the internet. When you connect to a VPN, your original IP address is replaced with one from the VPN server you're connected to. This can make it look like you're browsing from a completely different location, anywhere in the world. This feature is particularly useful for unlocking geo-restricted content. For example, if you're in Europe and want to watch a show that's only available in the United States, you can use a VPN to make it appear as though you're browsing from the US, and voila, you can now watch that show. So where can you get a VPN software? There are many providers out there. Some are free, while others require a subscription. It's crucial to do some research before choosing a VPN provider. Look for ones that have strong encryption, a no-log policy, and a good number of servers worldwide. When should you use a VPN? The answer is as often as possible, especially when you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network, like at a coffee shop or an airport. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously insecure, making them a playground for hackers. Now let's demystify how a VPN works. When you connect to a VPN, it creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Your data travels through this tunnel, gets encrypted before it leaves your device, and then gets decrypted when it reaches its destination. This process is done using complex encryption algorithms and protocols, ensuring your data stays private and secure. To summarize, a VPN is a powerful tool that provides an extra layer of security and privacy for your online activities. It encrypts your data, masks your IP address, and can help you access geo-restricted content. It's as simple as installing the software, choosing a server, and hitting connect. So next time you go online, consider using a VPN. It's like a private room for your internet data, keeping your secrets safe from the prying eyes of the world.